Good day everyone. Today we are going to present our Java-based maze game adventure. In this game, players navigate a dynamic maze filled with interconnected locations and hidden dangers. You will face hostile NPCs like Ghost Knight, engage in turn-based combat, and collect items like potions and weapons to survive. The goal is to reach the royal treasury and then finally to the exit portal, but every move matters and the dangers are around every corner. So choose wisely and beware what lies ahead. The screenshot of the document shows the map of the maze that we will play today. Here I have started the game and it asks to enter my name. Here I entered my name and then in here I'm at the entrance and I have added some items hard coded. Then I will try to get some from here. Let's see, get iron sword. Here I picked it up and I will try to pick up healing potion too. It's not there. And then according to the hand-drawn maze map, I will try to go to Torch Hall, which is in the east. Go east. Here I entered the Torch Hall and then I will try to talk. Here there is old guard. And then I will go to southeast. Oh sorry, go southeast. And here I enter to underground river and from there I will go south. Go south. And then I enter to Forgotten Shrine. And from there I will go to west. And enter to Crystal Chamber. And then I will go further south. And I enter to Ancient Library. And from there I will try to get healing potion. Oh, this is a shop, so we have to purchase items. Chase healing potion. Here you go. And then from there I will try to list the items I have. And there I have iron swords and healing potions. I will equip iron sword. Oh, command is wrong, and I will try to use help command. There, it's equip. Equip iron sword. Okay. And then now I'm at ancient library. Then I will go to southwest. West. Okay, then I enter to Guardian script and then I will go further south. Go south and enter to hidden passage and I will try to attack, do some attack. But there's no hostile NPCs. And then I will go to east. And there is a royal treasury. Then I will try to attack again. And here is NPCs there. And I will try to attack. Okay, it's still alive. And then I will try to attack again. And then I will use potion. Use healing potion. You go. And then I will try to attack again. And the NPC is defeated. And from there I will try to go south. And I have entered to exit portal. And then I can go further south. And I have ended the game successfully.
Thank you, Nimshi. Now let's dive into the design patterns that structures our code base and gameplay logic. First, we use the command pattern. Each user action like move, attack, flee, or use potion is handled through its own command class. This made the system flexible, easy to extend, and cleanly decoupled from the game loop. Second, the strategy pattern was used to handle combat variations. Whether the player chooses the attack, flee, or use a potion, different strategies apply, each interchangeable based on context. Third, a simplified version of the factor pattern is used inside our command handler. Finally, we use the composite pattern for our location class, which contains a collection of items, NPCs, and exits. This pattern allowed us to treat individual game elements and grouped structures uniformly. For the development approach, we adopted the BOOST methodology, which emphasizes iterative development, prototyping, and teamwork, ideal for a small paired team like ours. We started with a basic playable prototype to test core mechanics like movement and item collection. Afterward, we expanded it step by step, adding combat mechanics, NPC logic, life point systems, and more. Boost helped us prioritize user interaction early. For example, we tested how intuitive the move and attack commands felt and refined them based on feedback. However, the downside was that this rapid prototyping sometimes led to refactoring challenges later, especially when new features like weapon equipping or combat state management needed more structured support. But overall, Boost enabled fast progress and improved our team collaboration. One major challenge was refactoring the combat logic. Initially, it was a simple one of damage exchange, but as we added ongoing combat with multiple turns, free options, and potion use, we had to redesign the logic to properly manage states like mm, is in combat and track the current enemy. We also implemented dynamic strength calculations, so when a player equips a weapon like a sword, their base strength is boosted accordingly. This required careful updating of strength values during equip and unequip actions. Edge cases were another trick area. For example, if a player uses a potion during combat, we had to ensure that the health updates without breaking the combat flow or nullifying enemy turns. Lastly, we focused on null safety and command validation. Solving this made the gameplay more robust and polished for players. Thank you.